In this video, I will show you how you can fix if AirDrop is not working on your iPad. Now to fix this issue, first of all, just open the control center, then go to the connection section. Now over here, just tap on the airplane mode icon and turn it on. Now just wait for a couple of seconds, and after that just turn it off, and by doing that you will do a quick network refresh. After that, just make sure that Bluetooth is enabled on your iPad, and after you've done that, then just check if your issue has been fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just follow the next method. For that, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on General. Under the General Settings, just scroll down and tap on AirDrop. Now, if it is on Receiving Off or Contacts Only, just select Everyone for 10 minutes. Now, after that, for the next step, you will need the password of the parental controls to do so. After you get the password, then in the main settings page, just tap on Screen Time, and under the Screen Time settings, just tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. If this toggle is disabled, you can skip this step, but if this toggle is enabled on your iPad, then just tap on Allowed Apps and Features. And over here, just check if AirDrop is disabled or not. If AirDrop is disabled, just enable it from here. Or you can just go back and you can disable Content and Privacy Restrictions. And by doing that, you will disable all the parental control settings from your iPad. After you've done that, now just go back to the main settings page and tap on General. Under the General settings, just scroll down and tap on VPN and Device Management. And over here, just check if there is any VPN network connected with your iPad or not. If there is any VPN network connected with your iPad, just disconnect it from here. After that, just go to your home screen and perform a force restart on your iPad. To do that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then quickly press and hold the side button on your iPad until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once you see the Apple logo on the screen, just release the side button. And once the force restart process has been completed, then just check if your issue has been fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just go to Settings, and under Settings just tap on General. Under the General settings, just scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPad. Then tap on Reset, and from this pop-up menu, just select Reset Network Settings. Then enter your lock screen PIN and tap on Reset. And by doing that, you will not delete any data of your iPad, you will just reset all the network-related settings of your iPad. And after you do that, then just go back to the General Settings and tap on Software Update. And check if you have any update available or not. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your iPad, as this could be a software glitch which will be fixed through a software update. But if you've done all that and if none of these methods worked, then the issue is on the other device to which you're doing the AirDrop. Just follow the same steps on the other iPhone or iPad to fix this issue. And this is how you can fix if AirDrop is not working on your iPad. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.